In today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 best GPS drones available on the market. We've done the hard work for you by researching extensively and going through numerous real user reviews to create this list. If you want more details or the latest pricing on any of the GPS drones mentioned, make sure to check the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Now, let's dive in. Number 5, L900 Pro C Max, 4K Dual HD Camera Drone. The L900 Pro C Max is designed for aerial photography with its 4K UHD camera and 120 degrees adjustable lens. Equipped with 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, it ensures safe flights. Its 5G Wi-Fi FPV allows real-time video transmission, while GPS Follow Me and Auto Return Home provide stability and ease of control. Ideal for both beginners and professionals, this drone offers smooth and clear footage at an unbeatable price. Capture breathtaking views effortlessly with this powerful quadcopter. Number 4, Xiaomi Mijia V198 GPS Drone, 4K Pro FPV Quadcopter. The Xiaomi Mijia V198 GPS drone offers stunning 8K HD video recording and a Wi-Fi connection for real-time FPV streaming. With a max flight time of 30 minutes, it provides extended aerial adventures. Its foldable design makes it easy to carry and store. The advanced GPS system ensures stable and precise flights, making it a perfect choice for capturing breathtaking aerial views. Whether for photography or exploration, this quadcopter is a great investment for drone enthusiasts. Number 3, FIMI X8 Tele, Capture Life's Details. The FIMI X8 Tele is a high-performance drone equipped with a powerful 30x hybrid zoom, allowing you to capture distant details effortlessly. It records in 4K/60 fps Ultra HD, ensuring professional quality footage. AI Super Night Video enhances low-light shots for clear nighttime visuals. With real-time GPS positioning, you'll always have precise location data. Designed for serious aerial photographers and videographers, this drone is perfect for capturing every moment with stunning clarity and precision, making it a top-tier option. Number 2, V168 Drone, 8K GPS HD Camera Obstacle Avoidance. The V168 drone is built for stunning aerial photography with its 8K HD camera and GPS precision. It features a 22-minute flight time powered by a 2000 mAh battery, ensuring longer recording sessions. The foldable design makes it compact and easy to transport. Its 5G Wi-Fi FPV provides real-time video streaming, while obstacle avoidance technology ensures safer flights. Whether for adventure or creative projects, this drone delivers exceptional performance, making it a reliable choice for drone enthusiasts. Number 1, S188 GPS Drone, 4K HD Dual Camera Obstacle Avoidance. The S188 GPS drone is designed for aerial photography enthusiasts, featuring dual cameras with a 180 degrees adjustable front lens. Its brushless motor ensures smooth and quiet flights, while the 1600 mAh battery provides up to 22 minutes of flight time. With 4K UHD video capture, this drone delivers professional-grade aerial shots. Its advanced GPS positioning and obstacle avoidance technology make flying effortless and secure, making it perfect for capturing stunning landscapes and action-packed footage with ease.